Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put the link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the e-commerce section, and right down here you'll see the pop-up. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you are looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. As you can see, there are three options here, which are Builder, Layout, and Settings. In the Builder option, you can generate a pop-up by using Elfsight AI or customize your pop-up manually by changing the background color and set the structure using blocks like this. Here you can see the elements block for the heading, text, space, button, and image of this pop-up. You can add a new element by clicking this button and choose the element that you need here. For example, you want to add a timer element, so you just have to click this and edit the type, schedule, style, or devices to display on, and click done once you've done. Then you can click and hold any block like this to change its position in the pop-up, and click this three dots button to edit, duplicate, hide, or delete this block. Next, we can move on to layout, where you can customize how you want your pop-up to be displayed and the width of this pop-up. For this demo, I'll stick with this layout and width. Click this customize button if you want to change the alignment, size of padding, and spacing of this pop-up both in desktop and mobile. And click back once you've done. You can explore these steps down here if you want to add or customize the reopen button, backdrop, and the close button. Lastly, we can move on to the settings option, where you can change the display settings of your pop-up like the frequency, pages, devices, and schedule. You can also add triggers or behaviors that will open up this pop-up and a link to redirect after clicking on this pop-up. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking this gray select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on the Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then to add the pop-up widget, click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste, and click Update. Then you can adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Another thing that I want to add is how to change the font of this widget, because I think the current font doesn't really fit my website. So here I have a personalized code that I will share with you in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right click your mouse and choose copy. From here, go back to website, click Edit Code, click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, and paste the code by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right click your mouse and choose Paste. Then click Update to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. Since this is a pop-up, we should make sure that it covers the entire page. So you have to drag it like this and cover the entire page. You should make sure that the gray area of this pop-up covers the entire page like this. And now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a pop-up on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.